Hi, Bhavna.
Hello, ma'am.
First of all, can you introduce yourself to my students, new students?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I am Bhavna Sharma, and I have been your student since 2012. But right now, I mean, in the present, I'm not just your student. I feel like you're my mom. So this is what I am right now.
So,
And
right now, what are you doing? Which
I
profile are
am
you working in?
professionally, I am working with an MNC, which is called Equity Knowledge Partners, and there I am senior analyst, and I am working for basically the investment banking domain of the corporates.
Okay, that's great. Can you tell me when did you join the course and which course did you join and how was your experience while learning with us?
As in the beginning, I stated I joined the institute in 2012, so that was May 2012 when I joined.
I think you
Then
were in class 12th.
I just passed. I
Okay.
was in the first year of my graduation.
Mm-hmm.
So one of my neighbors had a class sessions with you. So he recommended, and I came with my father, me and my brother. We both were there, and I started learning there. Initially, things were like so much to understand. Understand not only the course but also the people who were there in the class. But later on, the experience was so good, and I started developing my interest. And you know, the one more important, I would say, the fun fact is there. I have been a commerce student, but after taking the classes with you, I just thought that I should have gone for English honors. I mean, I got so much interested in this particular subject. I had got such a good understanding of the grammar
Even
and
I
some.
thought so. Even I thought so. Why did you go for commerce? Yes,
That, that was actually, there was no little guidance in terms of that career selection.
I understand. Most of the Indian students suffer this thing. They think, arts is very inferior and science is very superior. So we can't afford science and we don't want to go for the inferior one. So let's take the middle one, that is commerce. So
Correct, correct.
this is the criteria. What improvement did you find in yourself after completion of the course compared to how you were earlier?
I have two parameters here. I mean, when I was in 10th standard, I remember clearly that I was still learning there the tenses, and I think this is one of the biggest fear of the students. I mean, how to create sentences and using correct tense. So that was also one of the biggest fears of mine. So in 10th standard and then in 12th also, by 12th I had got a little knowledge of tenses, but I didn't know how to make sentences. So jaise taise I cleared 12th, English mein especially. But after having spent a few months there, I developed a better understanding. So I would say I was like at 20 or 30% before joining that. And after that, I found that I won't say that was 100%, but that was near to it.
Even I am not 100% today. Nobody is 100%. Yes. That would be a false,
At least,
statement. Yes.
yes, at least I was able to comprehend that what a particular book or essay or an article in newspaper or in novels, what is particularly that is saying. So I
Yes.
was able to understand that.
Okay. Okay. That's great. So, would you recommend our institute to any other student and why and what would you say?
Obviously, this should not be the question to ask. Even if you would not have asked this question, I would definitely recommend the institute, and I have done that.
Hmm.
uh, Before getting married, all these students or my younger brother or sisters, so even they have seen that what progress Bhavna has gone through, so they are interested. And now also when I have people who are living nearby, and I see that they really need to learn English, and that should be from a good place, so I definitely recommend your name. that this is the particular institute. And even to my in-laws also, I tell them that I learned there and this is our bonding. I feel great about that.
Oh my God, you have told your in-laws too. We are going to conduct a seminar with the people. So the people who do not know me, actually, I can praise myself, right? I can say I can teach you this and that. So self-boasting, this is called, I can't say, what should I say, means I cannot praise myself to the people. So as a student, honestly tell what are my flaws and what are my good things and how I treat the students. हमेशा प्यार ही तो नहीं होता.
सही बात है. और जब पढ़ते हैं ना तब तो और भी ज्यादा फ्लॉज दिखते हैं. ये ऐसे करती हैं, ऐसे करती हैं.
Yes.
See, I would say the only flaw I saw that while you are teaching, you are only teacher. There's nothing like, you and I have a very good relationship. But if you are teaching or if you are in a class, you don't let that relationship ruin the class or ruin the moment. No, this is not the case. So, which is indirectly good also. So this is the thing that when I not only learned with you, I also got an opportunity to teach there. Okay, so throughout that period, I mean, I have been there with you for around 5 years.
Yes, you were a trainer later.
So during my tenure in the 5 years, I found that while you are teaching or while you are in class, there is a professional decorum. So which is very good. And at moments when it is necessary that some personal touch should be there, so that also creeps in, which is good. So this is the only flaw that
at times we can go like that, but not all the time. While learning is there, learning should be there. Yes.
Why students take teacher or the curriculum for granted. Or so, there may be some.
When I scolded you, when I, sometimes you got sticks also. So how did you feel at that time?
Obviously, like other students, I used to get angry. And that
I did, ma'am, beat me. Yes.
Yes. I was on the verge of getting like a chadi from you, but I think I never got that. I have seen other students that you have beaten them whenever necessary. So, and my confidence got built up when I got the opportunity to train other people.
Yes.
So that was like,
I was very much satisfied with you as a student, as a caretaker, and I always relied the things, means I was very much confident whatever Bhavna is going to deliver to my students will be accurate. She has received me fully, that is why she is able to give fully.
Yes. That's my pleasure.
Yes. Okay, Bhavna, it's nice talking to you after such a long time. Thanks a lot. Love you. God bless you. And keep growing and keep learning. Whenever you need me, you can call me anytime. Right?
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.